today, or tonight should I say, we are going to be doing, I don't know if you've seen on TikTok, the t-shirt like hair donut hack to get like a blowout look. We're going to be trying that today. I was going to wash my hair, but your girl's lazy and my hair isn't super dirty. I think I'm just going to put some dry shampoo and I can maybe get away with a couple more days. So to do this, I have a brush, my dry shampoo, just to kind of freshen up my roots a little bit and to give us some, hopefully, volume. I also have a t-shirt, 2 hair ties and a scrunchie. So first I am going to brush out my hair. So whenever detangling, you really want to make sure that you're starting at the ends and slowly working your way up. If you run into a difficult section, then just kind of grab it and separate it from the rest of your hair and just work on that section alone. And now that we've finished detangling, suddenly it looks like I have so much more hair. So what I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of dry shampoo, just kind of in my crown area and here and at the front as well. And now I'm just going to massage that in and brush it through my hair a little bit. Now for the t-shirt, we're going to start rolling from the bottom and working our way up to the neck area and making sure that we leave the sleeves out. Then we're going to tie it with 2 hair ties just to secure it in place, and then with the scrunchie we're going to tie the sleeves together to make the donut shape that we're looking for. Now that we've done that, I think we're just supposed to sit it on top of our head, not like push it down. So now I am grabbing small sections and wrapping it around the t-shirt and just repeating that for all of my hair, working my way down one side and then moving to the other side. I'm not really sure what to do with these little bits that end up being too short to go all the way back around again. I'm just hoping that maybe as I keep adding more hair, they'll somehow get pulled in with the rest of my hair. I was a bit worried about this not staying in place. I don't have like anything clipping it or holding it in place, and it seems to be sitting quite nicely while I'm just carefully going around my hair and tucking the hair in. I'm not having an issue with it sliding off, although when I do kind of tuck my hair around, I do get scared that it's gonna fall off, but so far so good. It definitely does get more tricky once you're at the back of the donut, and I don't know if I've like accidentally pulled it to the back a bit more while I was putting it in the back, and it kind of feels a bit looser somehow now. And we are done. From when I started filming, it has been 24 minutes, so I would say it's taken maybe like 10 minutes to put this in, maybe, I don't know. And I imagine if you do this often, you'll get quicker. It was a little bit tricky in parts, mostly at the back, and I have no idea what the back looks like because I can't see what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of feeling, I'm hoping I'm pulling the right hair through and wrapping it round as I should be doing. I would say it wasn't too hard to do. I'm praying that I will sleep well tonight. This doesn't feel tight at all on my head. It feels like very, very loose. So I'm kind of scared that it will come off in the night, but I think I'll probably sleep with a bonnet on over this. That might give me a bit more peace of mind and will hopefully reduce frizz as well. And I do think that maybe this would be best to do on clean hair that's maybe been blow dried straight. So I do worry how this is going to turn out when I did my hair wavy my last wash and I brushed it out. Is it going to be a frizzy mess tomorrow, or is it going to look like I got a blowout? Let's see. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Okay, so it is the next day, obviously. I'm gonna put my dressing gown back on because this situation is annoying me. Okay, let's pretend that I don't have a white neck right now. I'll probably put clothes on if I want to use this content for Instagram and TikTok. I look better now. I did sleep well, but I don't know, I kind of always sleep tense when I have like stuff going on like this with my hair. It was comfortable. I think I was just scared in my subconscious to move around in case it came off in the night. I think I slept really still last night. I've been awake for a few hours just chilling, having breakfast, watching TV, and I've left this on, but it's starting to annoy me because it has like kind of come loose a little bit and it's just annoying me. I just want to take it off now. So look, it's already kind of falling down. I wonder how it's gonna look. Okay, so I'm gonna take this down and let's see. I did not expect it to be tangled back here. Okay, my thoughts. It doesn't look bad. I mean, it looks okay, but it just doesn't really look like much. This is just kind of how my hair kind of looks a little bit anyway, if I like brush it out and put my hair up in a bun and take the bun down. So I think the lesson learned is this would probably work much better on freshly washed clean hair, maybe even blow dried, like I have done in the past when I've done heatless curls, heatless waves. For me, I don't think this works on any days following wash day. So let me know in the comments what you think of these results. Have you tried this? How did it turn out for you? I feel like I did a lot of things wrong. This could have gone way better, I think. I don't know, even if I did it on freshly washed hair, I don't think my results would be anything out of this world. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing a part 2 where I do this on freshly washed hair and maybe see if it turns out better doing it like that. I don't know why I had a feeling this would be a fail. I just kind of knew. I knew in the back of my mind that I was gonna either wash my hair today after doing this or that I was gonna have to fix it somehow. And I was not wrong. I wonder if it would have worked if I used a smaller t-shirt. Maybe this was too big. I don't know. I don't think so. So if you do give this a try and if it does work for you, then this is a great way to get kind of a blowout look without doing a blowout. If you don't have the time, maybe you wash at night and you can't really dry your hair because kids are sleeping or neighbors or something. So this could potentially be a good option. I'm not going to be in a huge rush to do it again, but I am curious to give it another go. If you'd like to see me review a couple of EcoSlay products, their gel and a protein treatment, then make sure to check out this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!